Acting out and undoing as type of defense mechanism, pag-usapan natin yan. Magandang buhay, this is Binibining Divine Grace, ang registered criminologist dito sa Pilipinas, and pag-usapan natin sa video na to ang dalawa sa napakaraming defense mechanism na ginagamit ng tao. What is acting out as type of defense mechanism? It is literally pertaining to expressing our sadness or anger. Halimbawa, ikaw ay may long-term relationship, let's say 10 years, diba? Tapos, nalaman mo na nag-cheat sa'yo yung partner mo, tapos ang pinalit sa'yo ay yung best friend mo. Syempre, automatically, ang mararamdaman mo ay galit, sakit, diba, puot. Acting out as type of defense mechanism sa situation na to is ikaw na nasaktan na partner na napag-cheatan, pinagpalit sa kaibigan or sa best friend. Ang gagawin mo para maging response doon sa nangyari or defense mechanism mo doon sa nangyari is pupunta ka ng iba't ibang bar, 'di ba? Lalanguin mo yung sarili mo, lalasingin mo yung sarili mo hanggang sa makalimutan mo na yung nangyari. Ang yung defense mechanism na to na acting out is talagang binibigyan mo yung sarili mo ng space na maramdaman yung inis, maramdaman yung galit doon sa nangyaring event. Literally, you are acting out with the event that happened. And ang ginagawa mong mga actions or response towards that incident or happenings is anything na satisfy ng inner desire mo. And it can be drinking too much alcohol, eating too much, 'di ba? Merong mga nagre-resort sa sa stress eating, nag-shopping spree, 'di ba? Ang ubos talaga ng maraming pera sa pag-shopping para lang maramdaman or ma-release yung anger, yung sadness, yung kung ano pa mang emosyon nang meron ka nung nangyari yung event na yon. Iba naman, nagtitake ng drugs and so on and so forth. Basta anything that will satisfy the inner desire or the id, yun ang acting out as type of defense mechanism. Ano naman yung undoing as type of defense mechanism? Undoing naman as type of defense mechanism is literally doing things that tries to convert failure or to cover things done, usually by apologizing or repentance or anything that is essence to make sure na mako-cover up mo yung ginawa mong isang bagay. Mako-convert mo yon into positive. Example, may parents ka na nagtitake ng drugs, nagtitake ng alcohol, tapos ina-abuse kayo physically. So, nung Christmas, binigyan kayo ng regalo para makover yung mga ginawa nilang abuse sa inyo. Pangalawang example, mag-asawa. Yung lalaki ay naging masama siyang asawa dun sa asawa niyang babae. So, para makabawi siya or para makonvert niya yung pagiging failure niya or yung bagay na nagawa niya in the past sa kanyang wife is binigyan niya ng flowers, ng gift, ng chocolate yung kanyang asawang babae just to cover up or to convert that failure or that things na nagawa niya dun sa asawa niyang babae into something pleasant or something good. Ayun ang sana po naging malinaw. So, kung ikaw ay isang criminology student, isang registered criminologist, an aspiring registered criminologist, pwede ka pong mag-comment dito para mapalalim pa ang ating mga talakayan. And see you in the next one. God bless.